Well, alrighty guys, today we're going to go over some things with the bike. I'm probably going to do a couple videos on it of how to get some things fixed. And, well, I pulled my old bike out that I haven't ridden in years, and I've only been doing assembly work for a few months. But one thing I noticed, like right off the bat when pulling my bike out, was that there's some things wrong with it. Seriously, whoever put it together didn't know what they were doing. I don't know what assembly company did it. I don't know if it's the one I work for or a different one. I'm going to say it's not the one I work for. I'm going to say it was Hickman Assembly that did this. Because I know Hickman used to be in this area, and I bought the bike in this area. So we'll kind of go through what they did wrong. But before that, let's talk a little bit about this bike stand here. It's a Park Tool bike stand. They're very sturdy, very well built. Mine's quite a bit beat up, but I mean the height's adjustable with this knob over here. The knob in the back, you can adjust the pitch of your arm, and then this grabs a hold of the stem for the seat. So to put your bike up on there, real simple and easy. You loosen up your seat, then you pull it up. Then you tighten it back down. You just pick your bike up, slide that stem right into that groove there, and then lock her down. When you lock her down, make sure that you're not hitting your reflector, because if you hit that reflector and then you go to turn it, it's probably going to break that reflector. I need to raise mine up a little bit because I heard that reflector make a little bit of a noise. You want to make sure it's tight, that way she doesn't drop down on you. The Park Tool bike stand, we'll put a link for that down below in the description. Check that product out. Those are really heavy duty bike stands.